This is the hardy kiwi arbor in our fenced deer garden at Long Creek Homestead. The hardy kiwi is a cousin to the fuzzy, but grows way up into North America and produces an abundance of delicious fruits that are a kiwi, but they're smooth skinned. They have all the same great flavorings minus some of the acidity. A female vine can produce up to 100 pounds of fruit, which is why you want to build strong support. This is a black locust arbor that's growing just one male and one female. And I keep the male pruned back so all it does is flower but not take up space.